Hey guys, and welcome to my grooming course introduction video. I am Jordan Soler and I am a groom artist in the VFX industry. Since a couple of years now, I am doing groom for different companies such as Illumination Makeup, MPC, Animal Logic, Method Studio, and currently I am working at Image Engine in Vancouver. I have been working on many projects such as Aquaman, Fantastic Beasts, Peter Rabbit, Despicable Me, and many more. Studios are doing more and more grooming as the needs are increasing. On this course, my purpose is to show you how to apprehend a groom from scratch to the end, and the software we are going to use for this course is mainly XGen. For this, we are going to work on two main projects: a digital double called DigiDouble. So we are going to do a haircut, eyebrows, eyelashes, and beard. And the second big project will be an animal, mostly a lioness. This is going to be an 8 weeks course divided in 3 big topics. From week 1 to week 4, we are going to work on the human head. So we are going to see the basic of XGen and talk about the general workflow. From week 4 to 7, we are going to work on the lioness, and I'm going to show you another way to groom, and we are going to go deeper in the XGen. The last week is an introduction to Yeti, but it's also a way for me to show you that switching from a software to another software is quite easy as soon as you have understood the main ideas of grooming, and trust me, it's a common thing in groom. During those 8 weeks, you will have after each sessions to send me images, scenes, and different materials that I will review and discuss about during a video. This will help me and help you to understand what's your main mistakes and how you can improve from your work for the next week. Each feedback will be individual and focus only on your work. We will also have a weekly live question and answer session where you will be able to ask everything you want, and I will take this full hour to answer all the questions and even add some details and show you different stuff. I will make sure that everybody after this session can go forward without any doubt. I will drive this course to make sure that you will be ready to face the quality and production need. So if you want to join the course, feel free to join us at cgmasteracademy.com, and hopefully I will see you soon.